have a better car next time I go there. I go to Maine.
I think, yeah, Zion was by far the most interesting. I would have liked to have spent more time there. But Arches had some really cool hikes, I think.
You mean Arches National Park in Utah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You like it there?
Yeah, I like it.
You know what I want to do is like, so I was talking to people in Zion, so you could park like not in the valley and hike into the valley
Interesting.
from the outside. That's what I want to do. Hike into Zion's Canyon and out.
Is it a good, does it actually look like a good hike? Like an interesting, like,
Well, it'd be fun to hike in the canyon versus hike up it, you know?
Yeah, I guess, but, you know, it depends on the scenery around the canyon. If there's not really anything to look at, then it's just a bunch of, like, red rock
You know what I
hiking.
want to do too is like, I've seen pictures on Instagram, the Zion Canyon overlook.
Yeah.
The one when you drive into the park. That one looks
Yeah.
pretty cool. I didn't do that, so.
Next time.
I got really
Yeah.
badly sunburned.
You might want to
Zions, we did too. We were like, shh.
Yeah.
Well, it's not so much that, but one of those, like, French spot where we're not just, like,
Oh, the doubles
directly
do.
under that sun.
They are doing old car show
Yeah.
right there.
really long
We gotta get used to our friend group, man. We have our issues.
Taking long.
Me and Nick just sit here mad most of the time.
Yeah. Well, I need to go to the bathroom really bad too, but I'm like,
There's a porta potty down there, I think.
did you not have to go to the restaurant? Oh yeah, I have to take it out.
No, our Colorado trip was nuts. Like we drove like till the fuel light went off from full. Like 5 hours and no stop. Like how do these people? How does no one have to stop?
They're all dehydrated. Man. So loaded they can. Right, drink a
That's
gallon of
smart.
water a day. That's the key.
Oh. That's
75 boys.
on something that tiny that we
Just
could.
had I knew we were gonna do this.
Yeah. I'm so mad we sold the what was it? We sold the bass boat. I was sad about that.
You sold the bass boat.
My dad did, yeah. It was
No way.
115.
Oh, 115 on it?
Yeah, we could ski and bass.
Oh, yeah, it's cool. And he sold the pontoon.
No, that was stupid.
You not remember that?